Are you experiencing issues with your garage door getting stuck or operating unevenly? The problem could be misaligned or bent tracks, a common issue that can disrupt the smooth operation of your garage door. In the Shellharbour area, there's no need to struggle with a malfunctioning door. Call 0409-774-111 today and get your garage door back on track with the help of our qualified professionals. We specialize in repairing and realigning bent or misaligned tracks to ensure your garage door operates seamlessly. Don't let a stuck door slow you down. Contact us now for expert service.